Yo, I'm back at the shop here. Tony's got me a razor blade so we can take off the sticker on the rear windshield of the GTS-T here. And we've got the soapy waters right there, right?
Yes, sir.
Sick. Perfect. Let's go ahead and do this. So this previous owner had this rival club, but it's actually rival cub. That's kind of funny. Let's put this here so it doesn't get... And then I'm going to take off my keys so they don't scratch up the car. Then we can get working on this here. Give it a nice little spray. Probably more of like a wide spray if we can. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Perfect. You guys know the trick with the razor and soapy water, right? All you do is take off the thing there and you just go, whoo, and all of them just fly off like that. Super easy. All right, here we go. I had to go grab a rag so we can wipe this down. But look, clear windshield finally. That's fucking phenomenal. Oh, you know, oh, it's stuck. It doesn't go up all the way. That's kind of wild. And it's also lifting right there. We're gonna have to take a look at that. I don't know if these actually fold up or not on the Skylines. I know the one for the Evo does. I didn't even realize it had a rear wiper. I gotta figure out how to use that because that is a feature that I would like to use. I really didn't pay close attention to this car when I got it then. I did not know I had a rear wiper. Zon just hit me up. He was like, yo, come on out here real quick. Taking some warehouse pics, but look at the sunset. It's looking gnarly right now, so we're just gonna run on over there, see if we can get there before it sets completely. I got Eric in the car with me. Whee! Damn, guys, we missed it by a few seconds. We thought he was over, like, on the backside of this building, and he was over here on this side. So it was really cool. There was rays and shit coming out. That was really pretty, but oh well. That's good enough. He's got the bike out. It's a little chilly today, so he's got all of his headgear on too, which is really good. But yeah. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and start ripping this thing apart now. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the front bumper, take that off, and then we can get to all the bolts and stuff. And then I've got the side skirts that are coming off, the rear diffuser's coming off. All the boys are here right now, working on the bikes and stuff too. So, oh, I just tripped on Skyline seat. That's great. Alrighty guys, so I have removed the front bumper off of the Evo. I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow. I'm getting late here. And then we'll rip apart probably take off the side skirts first and then tackle the rear diffuser because that's pretty easy. We'll use the quick jacks because we have them now. And yeah, we'll have the carbon fenders off probably as well. They're only 5 bolts because I put them back gently, I guess. And I mean, not all of them fit on this side at least. That side was pretty prime. But yeah, I took out the carbon e-brake handle as well and replaced it with a leather one. See if you guys want to see that. Look at that. But I do not have a replacement shift knob, or at least I don't know where it is. So yeah, we will have to see what we replace that with. But yeah. Oh, fucking heater turned on. We also have this APR splitter. I'm thinking I'll just take it off with all the bolts and stuff. Say it comes with all the necessary hardware to mount to this Evo, and then, or any Evo with the front lip there. And then I think we have a couple little things to diagnose with the CBR, but Zan has been working diligently on that, and it has been very interesting to see the process of all of the leaks. He had many, and he still has one for the coolant system. So yeah, new hose, new clamps, all that sort of stuff. But we've reorganized the garage a little bit here. I've got enough space to put the whole bumper right there, and then we got the Skyline seat just chilling in the middle. People just be sitting on there, just hanging out. The blue Evo trunk is right here. Probably gotta put that on and do that. So a lot of work ahead of us, and it will be a grand old time. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start ripping this thing apart. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the fenders here, and it's just, like I said, a couple bolts. Gotta make sure I get all of those, and then gotta take out the side skirt as well because there's 2 little bolts at the bottom. Just pop that out, and we can put the OEM ones back on. First fender's off. It's just chilling right there for now. Yeah, this is joyous. This will be fun to put the old ones back on because I don't have very many bolts left for them. So we'll see if I can actually get it properly secured. At least we have the right holes for them and stuff here though. Sweet, so we got the OEM fender back on. There she is. That's exactly how it sat before, but you know, it's fine. And we can put our covers back in finally because they fit properly. That's great. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the other side now, the driver's side. And then the next easiest thing would probably be the side skirt extension, so I'll probably take those off next too. And then the bumper has the APR splitter on it. I'm just gonna remove that, put it against the wall there for now. And then we can work on the trunk later and put that other wing on it. So yeah, progress. It's moving slowly, but it's okay. Take our time here. So I've taken all the stuff that I have down from up top here. So we've got the OEM Evo wing and the roof spoiler. I think we're the only two last things up there. I'm gonna take pictures of these things, wrap them up, might use them in the next Evo, but if they sell before then, I'm not really pressed. I'm gonna take off the APR wing now, go ahead and take that off and throw it up top, and then we can deal with the trunk later. But you know, all the trunk wiring and stuff has to come out, and I really just don't want to do it right now. So we'll just do just the wing for now, put it up there so it's stored, and then we have that one down here. So that's pretty primo. The wing is off the trunk now, and gosh, I can't get over how clean this is. I always forget how clean it is without a wing. Evos look really good without wings. They look like drag cars, but got to take off this rear diffuser. I think I'm going to go ahead and take this off tonight as well and just replace it with the blue trunk. I don't really care too much for mismatching colors, so that'll be okay. And then, yeah, we're getting really close, guys. I mean, all I have to do is unbolt all of the bolts on that. That's pretty quick and easy. The front fenders are back to stock. I did lose my side marker. The clear side marker is gone for some reason. But we're going to swap the vented hood with Raphael's carbon sleek OEM looking hood, which is going to be really cool. It doesn't have these vents or that middle. Well, it does have the middle, but it's not raised up like this. It's very sleek. So I think that'll make the car look really clean and good. And then we just got to get new wheels. Should be good to go. We're going to go run to Costco real quick, grab some food and stuff for Super Bowl Sunday. And then we will be back in here soon. Just finished up with our Costco run. Got to hit these Excelsior shillings. These are fired. Making some lumpia and shit. I'm dying. Next up is the trunk. Pop the trunk real quick. Get this thing up. And then, yeah, I just got the 4 bolts, the 2 up here. And then we got to snake this whole unit out of here. So that'll be fun. Wow, the trunk's off. The new one is on. It's blue. I was thinking about wrapping it black, but at this point, really don't care. I've got my wing on it as well with the gurney flap. It's starting to look like a completely different car, that is for sure. I mean, obviously we don't have the bumper on yet, and we got to take those off and the wheels off still. But, you know, OEM fenders and shit, kind of crazy. Next up on priorities, I'm going to go ahead and take off the front splitter and prop it against the wall back there. It's just a couple bolts, so that should be pretty simple. Voila! Splitter's completely off. Boom! There we go. Now I can prop it up back there. Ooh, and just like that, the front bumper is back on. That was really easy install. Of course, we have the quick release. So, yeah, we are splitterless again. Car's looking good so far. OEM bar is back on the car. Taking the Evo over to Raphael's house. It is nice and look at that sunset. Beautiful. But I need spacers, so I'm gonna go run over there and take spacers real quick. We have no bumper on the car right now. I'll show you guys when we get there. We might swap the hoods here while we're at it as well, because he has the other Evo outside. So I think we'll be good to go there. Let's go ahead and try that out. We're over here at Raph's right now. Let's see if this is, no, it's not. See if the driver's side's open. It is not. So we're gonna steal the hood off of this thing, put it on here, and then running no bumper right now. It looks pretty fire, very aggressive. You can see the wheels just perfect right there. But yeah, we're gonna throw the BBSs on this thing. Alrighty, so the vented hood is now on the silver Evo. That's great. And now we have the sleek spirit of competition hood on this Evo. So I think that's gonna look a lot better when we go to get rid of it. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get back home. We've got all the spacers and stuff that we need in the back so we can put the gold wheels on this car, and then we'll just get right on into it when we get back. I'll catch you guys at home. The Riga's looking pretty good on the Skyline. I don't know, man. Might have to keep these on here. Could lower the car a little bit probably if we do keep it, but do want to get the new suspension in before we do that. But I just wanted to put the BBSs on to the Evo here. We got the last two back on the Evo still, so we do have to pull this car out, get that one up in the air so we can take off the there's no way to jack it up right now with the jacks that we have, because the Low Pro isn't really a Low Pro. It's really sloped, as you can see there. So yeah, we're gonna pull the Evo in, and we have to put it up in the air anyway with the air jacks or the quick jacks, so that we can get all the side skirts and stuff off. So we are very, very close to finishing up doing that, and then I just have to put on the trunk latch and we are good to go. So I'm gonna pull this thing out real quick. See that? That's wacky. That is very wacky. So yeah, we'll get those wheels on tonight still. So we're good to go. Got the Evo pulled in. They're doing the bike stuff, Jam Drifts, Zoni Media. You guys already know. Link in description below. Anyways, we gotta get this bitch up in the air, and then we can take off that wheel, and we can take off all the carbon pieces. Let's get it. All right, so we have to stop by AutoZone because these spacers don't work. They have the hub-centric ring, and the wheels do not like that. So we're gonna pick up some 10 mils. It's perfect enough for on the actual wheel hub. 10 mils is enough to poke it out so it's flush, and then we'll be good to go. So hop in AutoZone here real quick. Look at the state of the garage. We've got the two BBSs here sitting on the ground waiting for spacers. We've got the two Rigas, one there and one back there, ready to go on the car today. I'm actually going to do that right now. I'm going to go bring the jack out and see if we can't get that on there. Hopefully there's a jack point in the rear of this car. I've actually not looked yet. So the fronts were pretty easy because we had it up in the air already, and I just jacked up this thing from the front. But now we got to figure that out. And then rear diffuser's coming off, and then we should be good to go. I already took off the side skirts. They were like 5 screws each, and they're sitting back there somewhere. And then we do have to grab, oh, I did change out the trunk latch on the trunk as well. So now it latches. It doesn't pull up anymore, which is perfect. Alrighty, back at the house. I've got my Ryobi charger so we can actually charge the impact there. Got some additional spacers just in case. I don't think we'll need them, but it's good to have them. And then these are the... No, they're not flat, I was going to say. And then we bought the other set of spacers. I don't know where it went, actually. It's probably back here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Got those. And then I also brought the HKS radiator cap, just in case we wanted to replace. I don't know, actually, which one is in here, so we might replace that. Now that we have the 10 mil spacers in the rear, the wheels fit perfectly, so that's awesome. And the Rigas on the Skyline look pretty prime. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and work on this diffuser now. It's just a bunch of Allen bolts, but it's kind of annoying because they're like really deep in here. And so we'll just see what we can do with it, and then yep, get that thing off, and the car will be looking pretty prime. I'm also gonna probably take off this brake light just because, you know, the whole bracket's broken and everything, and it just needs to be cleaned up. So there's nothing there anymore. Once we wipe down the whole car, it's gonna look really, really good. Alrighty, so I've started taking out the bolts over there, and they are getting rough because they're, you know, all rusty and stuff. So taking a short little break here, but Zoni boy got that fresh.
Yeah, we got fresh front ones too.
Looking good.
Yes, sir.
New chains going in as well. That's the old one.
Yeah, that old one was due.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, new. This was close to new. Definitely looks like it's been used before.
Yeah, look at the seat he has too. This thing is crazy, dude.
Cool. Check it.
So all of the fairings and stuff is this blue or this white and gold, but he's got this whole box of fairings and everything in here. It's gonna be fire once this whole bike is put back together properly, and this red and black is just gone. Whew. Yeah, looking very naked right now though. But yeah, we'll get back to this. Hey, Jamie's made it over. Colin's made it over. What's good, boys? How you doing? I'm almost done with this. This is getting there. Very loose. One more bolt in the back, and then I think one back there, and we should be loose here. So hopefully it doesn't just drop on the ground. Evo's warming up right now. It's a completely different looking car. We finally got the rear diffuser off. I had to cut the last bolt off because the Allen key got stripped, so we are running no diffuser no more. We have the blue trunk and all that good stuff. Here's the diffuser, it's just sitting. I've taken out all the strut bars and all that, strut tar bars in the rear, in the front, and yeah, the BBSs are on. They look really good on the car, actually. The gold and black is a very solid look there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and post this thing up for sale today. So I just gotta roll it out of the garage. It's been sitting here for the last couple days. We have been driving the GTS-T, so but yeah,